Okay, so let's go over the answers here. All right, on this one, I looked at my denominators, right? And they're both sixths, so that makes it easy. And if I had a, pizza and someone ate 2, or someone ate 5 of the slices, right? This one, well, 5 is bigger than 2, so this would be like this, okay? And so we would read 2/6 is less than 5/6. All right, so that one was pretty easy. And then this one, the denominators weren't the same, but the amount of pieces that were taken were. So that makes this one simple too, because if I have to share with 3 people, my pieces are going to be bigger than if I have to share with 8 people, right? So this one, they're only getting 1 piece, and this one's only getting 1 piece, so this one is bigger. So we would say 1/3 is bigger or greater than 1/8. All right, and then the next two. All right, so first trick, they're not the same denominators, okay? And they don't have the same amount of pieces up here. So I could try to make my number line, right? I look at this one and I say, well, I know that that's half. Well, I'm not really sure about this because thirds don't really make halves beautifully, right? So I'm gonna label my number lines. And again, I'm gonna do my thirds first because I feel like if I do my thirds, then it'll help me set up my sixths, right? Again, they're both normal fractions, so they're under 1, so I can go 0, 1, 0, 1. Now my number lines are very similar, right? All right, now I'm going to do thirds. So remember I split it up into 2 pieces, right? So I have 1 space, 2 space, 3 spaces, right? So here's my 1/3, here's my 2/3, okay? Now we have sixths, so I'm going to use my thirds to help me, so I'm going to go right here, and then I'm going to break my sixths up in half, okay? So I'm going to break this up in half, this up in half, and this up in half, okay? And so I have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. All right, and we wanted 3/6. So 1, 2, 3, this is 3/6. Okay, this is 2/3. So we can clearly see that 2/3 is larger, so we're going to make it like this, okay? So 3/6 is less than 2/3. All right, and let's go over here. Now this one could be easy without the number line. We could say, okay, 1/4, well, that's less than a half. 5/8, 4/8 would be half, so that's more than a half. So right now I'm mentally thinking that this one is bigger, but let's do the number line, okay? Again, they're both normal fractions, so I'm just gonna make my number line 0 to 1, okay? Because we're not going over 1. We don't have more than a whole here. And again, I'm going to start with my 1/4 because that will help me build my 8th number line, right? So my 4th, I'm going to go right smack in the middle, and then I'm going to split those up right in the middle, okay? And so 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Here's my 1/4, okay? All right, and now I'm going to use my 8th. I'm going to split it up perfectly, just like I did here. And then I'm going to split my 4ths into half. So 1, right? Just like that. And now I can check 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. That would be my half. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. Here's my 5/8. Right? And so we can see that, 5/8 is clearly bigger than 1/4. So we're going to go right here like that. Okay? And we would read it 1/4 is less than 5/8. All right, good job. We're going to try some more. See you in a bit.